Hi Tom. I hope you and Matty haven't killed each other on the drive there yet. Just doing your check-in, going through it. Thank you on this one for being honest. To be honest, yeah, it's just one of those days. Like we have those days every now and again, but we can work on that. Sometimes just need to get the right mindset. Check-ins have now changed, so you can see down here. So you've got a check-in link. Oh, they all in bold, make them look a little bit better. Hold on. Bold and 12. So what I'll do every single Thursday from now on, I know it's Friday, but every Thursday, I'm just going to update the link from there. Go from there. With your training, say your really good day today. I know you obviously get burnt out a bit towards the end, but they are heavy sessions, a lot of sets, a lot of reps. Got to get them done. With bench, yeah, I don't mind if you break it apart. Just make notes and stuff for yourself so that you know where you're at. So you might be stronger with literally one finger on the ring, or you might find that next session you're accidentally going one further out and finding a way so much weaker. Just make a note and stuff if that's something you want to break down, because I know you do. You're probably the person who puts the most notes in. Oh, you're right. No, that's alright. So was my neighbours. It's like on these ones, you literally put notes in every single thing, which is perfect for yourself and for me. With your nutrition, I know you were saying, oh yeah, I've not tracked the last couple of days and stuff like that. I need you to start tracking everything you eat. I don't care if you go way over all your calories and stuff like that. I just need to see where you're at so that I can adjust your plan for that. So I might be like, oh, okay, you shot up in weight last week, brilliant. Strength really good. Oh, why is it coming down? Like, what's going on there? But then we look at your nutrition and we can see how much less you're actually eating. So we just need to keep an eye on that. Obviously, the weekend is going to be like mad, but don't worry too much about that. With your weigh-ins, like weight slowly starting to creep back up, which is good. I know obviously this weekend you're definitely going to over 80 kilo, but I want to try and get you to 80 kilo over the next 4, potentially 6 weeks. Just real slow and steady, just so we can do it. But I have a really strong feeling it's going to be a weekend. But we can adjust this as we go. But I do need you to 100% start tracking this properly. All right. Other than that, with your deadlifts, do what you said the other day. What you said earlier on. So do literally one top set for the next session, next week. Scrap them out, don't do them. Then do a week of just 100 kilo, 3 sets of like comfortable reps. Don't go to until failure. And then the following week, I want you to do 1 top set, 2 back off sets, but not till failure again. Just feel comfortable, keep tight. And then if we have to adjust anything like that, then we can take it out, sub it out for other stuff. Any issues or questions, bud, let us know. Please don't attack Matty too much. I can't say what I was going to say because I just realised there's kids in the garden next door and I'm in the conservatory. Anyway, have a good weekend, man. I look forward to seeing the photos and hearing the stories and stuff. A little bit jealous, not going to lie. Alright, enjoy and I'll catch you later.